Found a little vacuum cleaner on the side of the road. Obviously people were getting a little bit frustrated with it because it was running for about 10 seconds and then it was dying. It had the full charger, it had the battery and everything in there. The first thing you wanted to notice was why does it keep turning itself off? Well, the thing with these battery vacuum cleaners is that they're really kind of gutless wonders. I mean, they're handy, but the motors they'll switch themselves off as soon as they get any kind of trouble, any kind of issue. So you want to start by taking it apart piece by piece to see where the problem is. Okay, cleaned out the brush, we got that running smoothly. That's spinning no problem. Still got no obstruction in there. Still, it's a little bit low on the power. And it's working so hard for less suction. So, what can we do about that? Well, let's have a quick look. And I think here's your culprit. People know how to empty the dust tank, but they don't realise that in here we go. So here we've got the filter. Basically the science of, there we go. Oh, gross, yeah, that's absolutely packed. The science of a vacuum cleaner, it's not about sucking, it's actually about blowing. So it blows the air one way, which creates a vacuum in the chamber. Now because all of that air is going through the motor, it can't allow the dust to go through the motor, so it's got these filters. Now once these filters pack full of crud, then very quickly the motor is going to find itself overworking, and once it's overworking, then it's just going to stop. You're going to find yourself with a vacuum cleaner that gives you 20 or 30 seconds, maybe a few minutes of working time, then it's going to overheat and stop. So you really need to keep these a lot cleaner than that, that's for sure, to make sure that the air can get through. Then you're not losing your suction power and you're not overworking the motor. Let's see how we go. Right, here we go, a little electric pump. Right, so I'm going to use my little electric air pump. It's right out here. There you go, someone's DNA. Oh, that's packed in there, that is. Oops, battery's on top. Yeah, I'm going to put this down so I've got 2 hands to work with this. Right. Okay, put it up to the van now. Filter. It's back on. We just need to get this back on. This back here. There we go, that's locked in. Excellent. Okay, that's all back together. And it's on low. High. Yeah, it's great. Great, straight off the side of the road. Just needed a clean up, that's all, and it works fine.